A few days ago, I went to the junkyard looking for parts for the X5. I found some, but I also encountered this Mark IV Golf. I looked at some parts and nothing stood out other than this radio. It would be a definite upgrade from the one I currently have in the Golf. It only took a minute to pull out, so I decided to give it a shot, especially at junkyard prices. So while I was waiting for another project to dry, I decided to see if it was going to be a quick swap. I pulled out the old radio and noticed pretty quickly that I was going to have to modify the wiring harness to install the new radio. But I decided to leave that work for the next afternoon, because the next morning I had somewhere to go. It's the first Saturday of the month, and where I live, that means it's time for cars and coffee. So I'm gonna drive my 95 Civic out there and see what's happening. My neighbors that live down the street are going too, but I don't think they've left yet. I didn't need to do it, but these donuts are fantastic, and they're right up the street from where Cars and Coffee is. That right there. The apple fritter, fantastic. And of course I gotta get my chocolate. I don't condone this type of behavior, but every once in a while you gotta do it, you know what I mean? Treat yourself. So we're out here, a lot of cool stuff. My stomach's gonna be torn up, but that's okay. I'm gonna enjoy it. I like that. If we had a Miata, I'd do something like that. Look at this raggedy car. Y'all taking pictures of that Alpha? You ever see? That's what you said. That looks like a project we've worked on. Maybe we need to revive that project. Oh, yeah. Well, Cars and Coffee was fun, and I'm back. This is my wife's puzzle table, and this is Axel.
Axel.
He does not want me to do this harness. He just wants to be petted. Hey boy, all right, I need some space. I need some breathing room. Can I have some breathing room? The idea was to come in here and do this in a comfortable setting, because it's just wiring, but I may go back outside. So I need this end to be connected to this end, because this is the end that I need to plug into the car. So I'm gonna cut this end just after where I did the soldering. No need cutting these zip ties if I don't have to. Just slide them down and give me some room to work. And I am a fan of Mark IVs in general, so I'm gonna treat this as if I may use it at some point in the future. I'm just gonna cut off all these crimps. Oh, this is doubled up. I wonder why. All right, now I am going to strip all the ends. Now let's do these. But first, let me make sure I just do the ones I need to. It's like either 10 or 11 that are actually being used on this one. These 3 aren't being used, and these are all advanced features that I probably don't have. Let's strip these. These little tags are helpful, but they're kind of in the way. Now it's time to crimp. I just got a bunch of bullet connectors. Again, this is gonna make for a larger bundle, but they're disconnectable. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'll make the car side the female. Let's see. Oh, these crimp. I put the split part away from the indent part of the crimp. There. Good enough. Get the idea. So I'm gonna finish these up, then start on the male side. Yeah, so the bundle's gonna be about like that, which is again bigger, but it'll be reusable. So now, on to the males. Again, when I crimp these, you don't just crimp them any old way. There's usually a split up here, and the split goes on the arc. So all the males are done. Quick tug. All right, just gonna match up the colors. Then we're gonna plug it up and see if it actually works. So just green stripe to green stripe. And then green to green. You get the idea. Yeller to yeller, you see what I'm doing. And I forgot one, but I will do it now. And now I'm gonna pull these zip ties up a little bit, try and make it a little neater. All right, let's go see if it works. All right, Junkyard radio. Yeah, I can swap this for this. This is right side up. Hook up the antenna. And these. So one latch is in the center and one latch is on the side. Hook those up. Will it neatly sit in there with my large bundle? I don't know. All right, well, it doesn't matter if it doesn't work. Will it come alive? Oh, it's alive. I do agree to whatever you're saying.
You are in nasty little man.
It's working.
Where's your head?
Is that a CD player? Do I have any CDs in this car? Well, since it works, let me see if I can mount it. Get in there. Uh-oh. So basically, I need to route these underneath so they come out over here. So I have all this space for the new larger radio. Let's see if that's possible. Well, it's close to being possible. So I wrapped it around, connect over here, see if all the wiring can go over in that direction. It's a nice little spot for the wiring. You shouldn't cause any trouble if you go down there like that. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Flush.
A taco. We still love you, and God does too.
All right, let's see if I can connect my phone. So the volume is acting weird, but is that only on Bluetooth?
No.
Hey, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
How do I sound?
Fine.
Okay. This is that Junkyard radio.
Okay.
All right, well, love you.
Love you.
All right, let's try.
Always watch basketball.
Right, the
Like
game's all right.
like a lot of these dudes do not watch basketball.
Like TNT game, like you got league pass, you can watch games every night. There's dudes that do not, they say it publicly. I don't watch basketball if I'm not like nah.
All right, let's play some music. That's better than my other radio. And the volume is working now. I don't know why it wasn't before. But yeah, I like this. And the touchscreen works. Can I dial right on this? All right, I'm gonna wipe it down, but I think this is pretty cool. I must say, I'm pretty stoked about this radio. An unexpected upgrade for the Golf. I'll call that a win. This car still needs lots of work, and if you would like to follow along as I continue to maintain and improve it, hit subscribe. If you would like to see the things I've already done to it, check out the playlist. Thanks for watching. Take care.